Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys in this tutorial how to get virtually unlimited stripchat tokens without you needing to pay for it. It is directly approved by stripchat. So guys, let me clarify. This is not a hack. This is not an exploit. Stripchat will still get paid real money for these tokens, for the allocation of these credits. So basically, the way it works is that you are going to watch a video ads or something along those lines just for a couple of minutes. Then they will add a fairly significant amount of money in your stripchat account, which converts to tokens. So for example, I was able to receive $100 credits for basically watching 4 minutes worth of video ads on this website, and it works anywhere on the world. So guys, I'm gonna show you in this tutorial how you can sign up, how to use it. It is really easy, and this level of advertisement made for stripchat just got released this year, I believe. It is 100% legit, it does not break any rules, and it is in fact pre-approved and partnership with stripchat. So guys, if you are interested in this video and you know you are going to use it, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Okay guys, the first step is to go to the website I'm showing right now. Here you will be able to get virtually unlimited stripchat tokens, guys. The only requirement is to qualify first, but don't worry guys, it is really easy and it takes only 2 minutes or less. Just answer the questions and you will be ready to go. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed our video. This is especially for people who love stripchats and want to get free credits and premium content for free. If you want me to check more sites like this, let me know in the comments if you like this type of content. If you like this video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps with this content. And guys, have a great day and enjoy this freebie.